Welcome to the Grade 8 classroom. I'm Mrs. McFarling, your child's teacher this year. This is what I really look like. Since we can't invite you here for our annual Meet the Teacher event due to gathering restrictions in this ongoing pandemic, I'd like to take a minute to give you a quick tour of our class. I know it's super early in the school year, but the Grade 8s have already accomplished so many great things. Most are taking on different leadership roles in our class, which makes me so happy. One huge initiative the Grade 8s are responsible for is the production of our daily video announcements. Every day we use the green screen here to record announcements for the following morning. A super important segment in those announcements is our problem of the day, which I affectionately call Math in the Hallway. When students have completed their daily math assignment, they can tackle the problem on the whiteboard in the hall. They then record their solutions, which are shared every day on our announcements. It's a way to share unique and thought-provoking solutions to math questions, as well as make math a focus throughout our entire school. The Grade 8 set that standard for everyone from kindergarten up.
Herman has two part-time jobs. He earns $13 an hour at the market and $14.35 at the mall. Last weekend he worked 6 hours at the market, 5.5 hours at the mall. How much did he earn? Show your thinking.
Okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta get 14.35 times that by 5.5, because that's what he earned at the mall, and that's how much hours he worked. And that equals 78.92. And then the same thing for market. 13 times 6 equals 78. So you 78 plus 78.92 plus 78 equals.
This is what I earned. Yeah, I'm this rich. I get $156.92.
We've completed a unit in math already, done 2 full science experiments, completed masterpieces in art, and are writing a mystery story this month, just to highlight a few things. I try to give the kids lots of time in class to complete their assigned work. Most of them are utilizing that time extremely well. If you're concerned about them not bringing work home to do, this is likely the case. I'd be calling home if assignments weren't being handed in, so please don't worry about that. I know how stressful it's been being a student and family throughout this pandemic. I also know how important the Grade 8 experience is for our kids. I promise that I'll work hard to try to make this year as memorable as I can for this class who so deeply deserve it. If you ever need to speak with me or have any concerns, the easiest way to get a hold of me is by email. It should be on the screen for you now. Thanks for virtually visiting our Grade 8 world. Hopefully we can meet in person soon. Until then, take care.